Hello, I'm Shaunna. I'm passionate about pages, and this is video number 2 in a series of 8 daily videos where I'm sharing workshop kits that are in the last chance products that I have made to give you an idea of how you can use them and maybe adapt them a little bit if they're not completely your style. This one is Memories in Bloom, and it is in the last chance section. It retailed at $58 and it's currently, I'm filming on the 6th of August, just $29. And I have made 5 double page layouts from it. That is a steal. So let me show you the layout. So what I do, I run classes, in-person classes, where people can come, they buy whichever workshop kit they want. I show them in the instructions how I might have modified some of the pieces or not to make the layouts. Oftentimes I will add extra photos and then I give them a printed handout with instructions to make 2 extra layouts. So as we're going through, I want you to have a think about which ones are your favorites. Now this one, I don't have photos on any of them. Often it's too much of a hassle for me because I don't publish photos of my family. So, you know, this was Mother's Day and it's all going to be family. So this one then pretty much kept to the same, except I made this a bigger one because if it was a group photo, I would want to have more room for a group photo there. And then this one, I put in an extra little, a little one there. As I said in my first video, I try not to cover a lot of my photos with embellishments. That is just my personal preference. So you'll often see that I've either taken them out altogether or I've moved things around. So that was number 1. This is number 2. And I've swapped the pages because I do kind of like my title over on the left-hand page. I added extra photos here because this will be photos of time spent with my daughter's family, and they have 2 little kids, and there's always really cute photos, but it might just be someone's little expression on their face or something. So I've added those in on here to take it from 3 photos to 5, and then I've added several more spaces here as well. Again, kept the actual design pretty much the same. That's number 2. This is layout number 3. I loved this one. This workshop had the technique of turning back, folding and turning back, so you saw the reverse of each pattern, which is really cool. For this one, again, I tucked in an extra photo here, but I kept it pretty much the same. And then over here, I changed the orientation. Again, if they're going to be photos of family occasions, I am most likely to have at least one group shot, and I always take that in landscape because the family takes the space. So that's what I changed there, and then it would be room for me to journal on there because there wasn't a definite journal box on this layout. Then these are my 2 extra layouts. So with the extra layouts, I'll often bring in some extra cardstock that maybe wasn't in the kit. And I will often introduce some stamping. So this was a stamp set that went with the kit, but any floral stamp set could work. And this one has lots of photos that it can go in it. I haven't put a title on this one yet, but I've left space here because I haven't decided what photos are going on here. And then this is my last layout. This is number 5, where I've used the stamp set and just stamped them as silhouettes on cardstock. And these were just all the little bits of cardstock left in the pack. So that's number 5. Number 4, 3, 2, 1. Which one is your favourite? Comment below for your chance to win a little something something. And then tell me also in the comments, do you prefer doing workshops in person or online? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow my page and come back tomorrow for video number 3.